Good morning, students. Now it's time for a maths class, and today we will be continuing with chapter 1, large numbers. In that, we will be doing place value and face value. So, what is place value? Place value of a digit depends on its place or position in the given number in the place value chart. So, now look at this number 7. So, this is the place value chart, and this 7, it comes in thousands place. So, place value of a digit depends on the place where it is in the place value chart. That particular place is that particular number in the place value chart, that particular digit in the place value chart is the place value of that particular number. Again I am repeating, place value of a digit depends on its place or position in the given number in the place value chart. Now look at this number 7. 7, it is in the thousands place. So we have to write down 7 into 1000, that is 7000. Now what is face value? Face value is the value of the digit itself in the given number irrespective of its position in the place value chart. So if for imagine face value of 7 will be always be 7. It does not matter in which position or the place it is in the place value chart. Face value is always the number. It is the value of the digit itself in the given number irrespective of its position in the place value chart. Now look, 7586. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This is the thousands place value. This is the hundreds place value. This is the tens place value, and this is the ones place value. Now see, look at the place value of 6. Will always be the 6. Its face value of 6 is 6. The digit itself in the given number will be the same, and its place value is 6 into 1, that is 6. Now next, 8, face value of 8 will be 8, that is 8 into 10 will be 80, because it is in the tens place. Now 5 will be in the hundreds place, so we have to multiply by 5. The face value of 5 is 5, and face value of 5 is 5, and the place value will be 5 into 100 will be 500, as it is in the hundreds place. Now the face value of 7 will be 7, and face value of 7 will be 7, and place value will be 7 into 1000, as it is in 1000 plus 7 into 1000 will be 7000. Now next we will be doing expanded form and standard form. Expanded and standard form. So what is expanded form? Expanded form, it is a representation of a number separated into individual place values of its digits. Now I am explaining you with this only. So this is written as 7. So when we expand this will be 7000. That is 7 into 1000 will be 7000. So it will be 7000 plus this is 500. It is as it's in the hundreds place, so 500 plus the 8 is in tens place, so it will be 80, and 6 is in ones place, so it will be 6. So this is the expanded form. Whenever you expand a number, it is the representation of a number separated into individual place value of its digit. That is called the expanded form. A number is given and you have to expand, like 7, it is in thousands place, so 7000. 5, it is in hundreds place, so it's 500. 8 is in tens place, so it is 80, and 6 is in ones place, so it is 6. So this is the expanded form. Now what is standard form? Standard form, it is a representation of a number using its digits with the correct sequence of place value. So now if I give you the expanded form like 7000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 6, so its answer will be 758 7586. So this is the standard form. It is a representation of a number using its digit with correct sequence of a place value. That is called the standard form. Now see this. Look at this one. 6506. So in this 6 into 1 will be 6, as 0 is in tens place, so 0 into 10 will be 0 only. 5 is in hundreds place, so 5 into 100 will be 500, and 6 is in thousand place, so 6 into 1000 will be 1000. Expanded form will be 6006 followed by 000 plus 500 5 followed by 2 zeros and 0 it has no plus 6. And standard form will be the short form. What is it is the and standard form or the short form will be 6506. Always remember that if any place value chart is missing, then put a 0 there. You have to always put a 0. And in the place value and face value of 0 will always be 0. The place value and face value of 0 is always 0. Now look at this one. Write the place value of each. 5, it comes in 5 steps, so 5 into 1 will be 5. 4, it comes in 10's place, so it will be 4 into 10, 40. 8 comes in 100's place, so it will be 8 into 100, that is 800. And again 8 comes in 1000 place, so 8 into 1000 will be 8000. I will do in the next one also. See, 0 it comes in 1's place, so for 4 into 1 will be 4. 1 comes in 10's place, so 1 into 10 will be 10. 2 comes in 100 place, so 2 into 100 will be 100. And 5 comes in 1000 place, so 5 into 1000 will be 1000. So look, expanded the numbers given below. It's 7916. So when you put 1, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So if you expand this, 7000, that is 7 followed by 000, 9 plus 9 followed by 2 zeros plus 1 followed by 1 0, that is 10 plus 6. This will be the expanded form. Write the standard form for each of the following. 5020 plus 1. So if you add this, it will be 5021. 5021. Next, 6000 plus 700 plus 44 plus 1. So what will be the answer? 6741. Now 8001. So as 8001, as there is no digit in the tens place and the hundreds place, so you have to put 00. So 82001 will be 8001. As there is no digit in the hundreds place and the tens place, so you have to put 0. So 8 followed by 2 zeros and 1. 8001 will be 8001. Now look at exercise. Write the place value of underlined digit and the face value. Face value, you know, the face value will remain the same, and if the place value and face value of 0 will always be 0. So look at the first number. Write the place value for the underlined digit and face value of the circle digit. So look at the first number, 5183. So the circle digit is you have to write in the face value. So 5, the face value of 5 will always be 5. And 9, it is ones, tens, hundreds. So the nines, it is in the place. What is the place value of 9? It is 900. Now look, 1482. 1482. So what is the face value of 4? 4 will always be 4, and place value will be 2 ones, that is 2. Then expanded form, write that this I will be giving you as homework. Now look at the sums. Find the sum of the, go to page 18, exercise 1C. Find the sum of the place value of 2 sevens in 4775. So there are 2 sevens, and what are the place value of that 2 7? One is 7 into 100 will be 700, and the next is 7 into 10 will be, it comes in tens place, so it will be 7 into 10, that is 70. So if you add, sum means you have to add. So 700 plus 70 will be 770. Next, find the difference of the place value of 2 4s in 4814. So what do you mean by difference? Difference means you have to subtract the numbers. So the place value of 4 is 4000, that is 4 into 1000 will be 4000, and next is 4. It comes in ones place, so 4 into 1 will be 4. So if you subtract 4000 minus 4, the answer will be 3996. The next is find the product of place value and face value of 5 in 3517. So what is the place value of 5 in this number? Look, it comes in ones, tens, and it comes in hundreds place. So it will be 5 into 100 will be 500. And what is the face value? The face value of any number, irrespective of any place value, the number will be itself. So it will be 5 itself. So 5 into 100 will be 500, and the face value will be 5. So 500 into 5 will be 500 into 5 will be 2500. So if you have completed this exercise 1C, I have given you the worksheet along with this video. Copy the sums and solve it. Thank you.